Guys, Shaki here, and today we are going to go on a boat over there. Okay, we are going to see monkeys and turtles. Turtles are my favorite animal, even though most sharks eat them. Anyways, if you have seen my last video, I met my mom. Okay, I'm leaving. I love turtles. Ah! Hey guys, we are now on the boat. It is really loud here. Well, look. We will soon get to the place, okay? Guys, just wait. You're gonna hear a lot of noise, so. It's Shaki here. We finally got off the boat. There's the water over there. But we're not gonna go in the water yet, okay? We're going to do other stuff. Like, look around the place. Look at this leaf. Look at this rock. Look at this dirt. Look at that boat. Look at these chains. Look at this water. Look at me ending this video. Hey guys, we are finally in the water. This feels amazing. I think I got a...
Sí, a los lados. ¿Se me quitó eso? Sí, ¿a mí? Sí. Es divertido, ¿verdad?
Guys, Shaki here, and look what we found. Turtles. I love turtles. More turtles. I love turtles. They're like my favorite animal. Shwaki knows that. Alright, I forgot to tell you. We're in a tour. So, we could find animals. Look at this iguana. Amazing. Look, all these turtles lined up.
Tiene una hoja llamada lentejuela. Esta surge cuando el agua está muy estancada, le da un aspecto pantanoso y es lo que los familiariza a estos peces.
Oh.
Esta es la dormilona.
Oh, mira, ahí está la dormilona.
Oh.
La encontró Julio.
See you guys in the boat. Bye. Guys, remember I said about the monkeys? Well, they're here. Those monkeys look amazing.
Mira el árbol de mamey.
Oh my goodness, there's a fat monkey. There's a fat monkey right there. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Well, guys, that's all for today. See you guys later. Bye.